This is the Reolink Security Camera Duo 3.
Let's open the box. Thank you Reolink for sending us the camera for review. This is a brand new camera with 16 megapixels dual lenses in 4K. It supports SD cards up to 256 gigabytes, but you buy this separately. Insert it here and screw the lid back on. Power up the camera with only one network cable. Thanks to the advanced power over Ethernet technology, a single cable manages both data and a stable power supply. You can get a 12-volt adapter and you can use it as a standalone security camera.
We took it outside to test it, in different conditions than usual, so we had to improvise.
Instead of using the wall mount, we used the camera tripod. To power up the camera, we plugged in a 12-volt battery. We made the cables work with a car battery starter. Now, to make sure the voltage is correct, and we plug it in.
And we don't need internet, because once you plug it in, it automatically records. Let's see some cool shots from this town square.
This camera uses dual image stitching algorithm. It combines images captured by the dual lenses to show you a panoramic view of 180 degrees. From our experience, it's really easy to use and to set it up, and great quality in the footage. Yes, we took it outside to test it, in the parks around town, so we could see how it performs in different environments. Setting up the camera is effortless, even for beginners.